The list of 50 candidates admitted for BSc Nursing at Neigrihms has been released. So, according to this notification, the classes of BSc Nursing for the academic session 23-24 is scheduled to commence with effect from 1st August 2023, that is Tuesday. All the students who are admitted to BSc Nursing course for the session 23-24 are to positively report to the College of Nursing Hostel on or before 31st August 2023, Monday. It should be 31st July, Monday, because it will start with 1st August 2023. And the list of the 50 candidates are in order of merits admitted to BSc Nursing course for the academic session 23-24 are Ashta Singh, Yash Gupta, Nahid Anwar Barbhuya, Darshana Goswami, Jerin Akhtar Lashkar, Wasim Akram, Jyotishma Kalita, Hasina Sultana, Mahadhu Smita Deka, Kritika Chetri, Kanika, Himadri, Sita Kumari, Sabrin Nisha, Bhumika Sarma, Animika Kumari, Heisaki Embon, Elbanika Marbanyang, Sandiha Dimasa, Upasana, Burgohon, Salma Sultana, Kostov Kanti Kalita, Chandana Deka, Elizabeth Kharpran, Nishta Bora, Yairi Dahun Jana, Parna Dotta Chaudhary, Mayuri Kalita, Isha Dotta, Akansha Kumari, Mustafizur Rahman, Probal Bhoyan, Esha Apra, Athulu Muli, Sweta Sinha, Rani Kumari, Mebala Katiutalang, Nikita Chetri, Sohil Akhtar, Ling Naiting, Haukip, Lisful Joy Kharaswai, Vanessa Konwar, Bhayalina Das, Fokreni Etini, Jahanara Begum, Iba Kodor Kharlartang, Kim Ngai Ching, Dip Wembar Khar, Ananya Bora, and Mizanur Rahman Khan. So these are the 50 candidates admitted for BSc Nursing at Neigrihms. So if any of them is don't want to go for this course, so these are the waiting list as per merit list. Bilkis Khaton, Meghali Chaudhary, Rupsana Begum, Devi Banla Kurkalang, Karishma Baro, Sayantani Basak, Algina Sotun, Abinash Shetri, K. Primitiante, Shreya Das, TH Jemena Gangte, Tu Sudisia, Muskura Parben, Pratashi, Mirin Mai, Deitinella Pasanteu, Nila Kidas, Tanudas, Dari Disimle, Eda Shisha Nongtru, Mary Nyang Thanmoy, Sagarika Bardalai, Guru Rini, Deima, Miria, Bindia Das, Daihun Khar, Gangutri Gorima Pukan, Udita Kalita, Aibante Hame Kharkongor, Alice Borwa, Rokshi Barbhoya, Likhanaku, Hibur Lung Razia Sultana, Ketsino Hukmuka, Sweetie Singkli. So these are the waiting list and the selected candidate. The ladamdon gineki ladon bapep na gineki selected list to kin sayo daki waiting list. Tangine nyuptip kuleswan.